chances locked up.
Got 2 chances. That's a good job, you thought. Yeah, no, perfect.
It's been a 10-year project. This is probably the last time this will ever happen. Nobody will ever attempt the stupidity that we attempted 10 years ago.
Quote was £127,000, which seems a lot of money till you know what it's actually cost us. If anybody would have said we're probably looking at £1 million, you wouldn't have started.
And our heart does rule our head, and it's good for enthusiasts that it does. But it doesn't make any economical sense. It doesn't make any sense, but historically it is important that we've got a workhorse of the railway as well as Flying Scotsman installed.
Thank you. It's called a Super D. It's just, everybody knows it as a Super D. They were freight engines. There were hundreds of them built, and they were only built just to pull the coal. So as where Flying Scotsman was for the posh people, the Super Ds were for oiks like me.